Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you are great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per hour. So here's how to get $100 per hour working from home. No stress, just by sitting on your couch or bed with your computer at home. To make sure nothing goes wrong, I'll give you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it right now, right here. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and also if you enjoy this content, leave me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to make more content like this. Thank you. So now let's make some money. So the first thing you have to do is that we have to find the website that is going to pay us. So the website that is going to pay us is remotely.com. So click on the website. This is the remotely.com. So once you visit the website, this website is trusted by Amazon and Google. So then once you reach here, you have to scroll for some job and find the one that you can qualify for. So once you reach here, scroll for some jobs. So this is some jobs on full stack development, senior engineering, Shopify website developer. So scroll for some job and find a suitable job that you can handle. So if you don't find the job that you can handle here, go to this category. You find so many categories here based on the experience or the skills you have. Then click on anyone you like and click on the post. Then check the details about the project. So with this project, you earn $80 to $130 per hour just by working with this company. So if you want to work with this company, click on this apply. After you read all the details that they wrote here, then click on this apply for this position. Don't be scared to apply and don't be scared of rejection. Just apply, and one day you will also get your job also. So if you want to ask a question about this thing more, let me know in the comment section. So I will be doing more video about this thing and explain one by one. So if you don't have a skills and you are ready to learn a skills, so let me also know in the comment section. I'll be doing a video on step by step to do research on particular skills that you want to learn. Then that will help you. So thank you for watching this video. Give me a thumb up and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.